Drawers are some of the most difficult areas to light up due to the limited space and tight angles. That's why Loevschall has come up with two new, innovative solutions that make it possible to enlighten even the most compact of drawers. Although placed on the side of the drawer, specially designed lenses make sure that the light is distributed evenly inside the drawer. Installation is easy, and it doesn't get in the way of the contents of the drawer. Even with only a few millimeters to spare, it is now possible to get good light in the entire drawer with an ultra-thin acrylic light plate, simple to mount and super efficient. Loevschall makes good light, even in a tight spot.